Hello, in this video we are going to start the basics of logic. What is logic? Logic is the study of reasoning and argument. It's about evaluating arguments to determine if they are valid or sound based on their structure and the truth of their premises. Propositions. A proposition is a statement that can be either true or false. For example, the sky is blue is a proposition because it can be definitely true or false. Arguments. An argument consists of a set of propositions called premises intended to support another proposition called the conclusion. The validity of an argument depends on its structure, not the actual truths of its premises or conclusion. Validity and soundness. An argument is valid if its conclusion logically follows from its premises, regardless of whether the premises or conclusion are actually true. An argument is sound if it is valid and all its premises are true. Deductive versus inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning aims for certainty. If the premises are true and the argument is valid, the conclusion must be true. For example, all humans are mortal. Socrates is human, therefore Socrates is mortal. Inductive reasoning aims for probability, not certainty. The conclusion is likely but not guaranteed to be true if the premises are true. For example, every swan we have seen so far is white, therefore all swans are probably white. Logical fallacies. Logical fallacies are errors in reasoning that undermine the logic of an argument. Common fallacies include ad hominem, attacking the person instead of the argument; straw man, misrepresenting someone's argument to make it easier to attack; appeal to authority, believing something is true because an authority figure says so, regardless of the evidence; false dilemma, presenting two options as the only possibilities when more exist; symbolic logic. Symbolic logic uses symbols to represent logical forms and operators, making it easier to analyze complex arguments. The basic operators include negation, conjunction, disjunction, implication, biconditional. Rules of inference. Rules of inference are logical rules that detail valid forms of argument. For example, modus ponens is a rule that states if P implies Q and P is true, then Q must be true. Quantifiers. In predicate logic, quantifiers specify the quantity of specimens in the domain of discourse being referred to. The two most common quantifiers are universal quantifier, which indicates that a proposition applies to all members of a specified set; existential quantifier, which indicates that there exists at least one member of a specified set for which the proposition is true. Thank you.